How to sign into Manulife account. So let's get started. First of all, open up any web browser and in the search URL type in manulife.ca. Press enter in your keyboard. Now you will directly land on the official web page of Manulife. Now to log in, navigate to top right corner. There is a sign in button. Click on it. Now once you get to this interface, if you scroll down a bit, there you'll find all type of account that you want to log into. So from here, scroll down and choose the account that you would like to log into. After that, click on the sign in button with that account. Now you will get to sign in portal. So first of all, you have to enter your username. Make sure you enter your correct username associated with your account. If you want to save in your username, click on this checkbox that says remember me. And under that, you have to enter your password. Here, make sure you type in your correct password. In case you forgot your password, there is a link provided that says forgot your password. Click on it and that will help you out to recover your password once you follow some instructions. If you don't have an account yet, you can go and create a new account by clicking on this set up a Manulife ID. Now once you're done typing in your username and password, click on the sign in button and on the next step, you will be logged into your Manulife account if you have entered the correct login information. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, and thanks for watching. I will see you on next video.